Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Faisal Ahmed. My matrix number is AD150294. Today I would like to talk something about our group project. Introduction. For this subject of BDA 242002, computer programming is mechanical engineering student must complete this assignment. This assignment must be done in a group because it's required uh, group in brainstorms to produce the complete C program code, starting from the beginning of mechanical design to production planning for fabrication and lastly the packaging and logistics. In order to complete the tasks, student must apply all the C program coding learned throughout the syllabus of the semester. There are various types of coding available such as syntax, output, display, variable, user input, math, etc. However, in the C program, not all coding is needed to apply. So inside the must coding at least two function and two looping and two types of decision operation. And objective. The main objective of this project is four. Number one, to develop a C program of mechanical design, production planning, fabrication, packaging, and logistics in separate program. To produce all C program consists of at least two function for two looping and two decision operation. To produce each program, flow must be linked in referring the same product. Number four, two product to produce at least three input are required for each program. So organization chart. Here is keeping our group project organization chart that is given here. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faizal bin Shahjahan, metric number AD170129 from section 3. Okay, from group 1 as well. Today I'm going to explain about my part, which is mechanical design. First of all, I have did two function for as required for the objective, and afterward we have named our product name is AL253, and as a leader informed me, I have to make a fixed length for the product, which is from the object. So when we enter the length, it will be 30 centimeter, and wide 25 centimeter, height is 15 centimeter, and the thickness is 3 mm. Okay, for the top view and side view, I have design for show the top view and side view. As a result, we can see here. Yeah, so from the result we can see the display. When we put the output display will be like this, which is show our top view like this and the side view. For the design, I've made this symbol for top view, and I've used this symbol for side view. This is our picture of the object, which is like this. So that's from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum Doctor, my name is Aiman Safwan bin Kamaruddin. I will be presenting topic number 2, which is production planning. Okay, this is my coding. I use function, 4 main function, which is main menu, specification, process, and calculator. This is my declaration of the function. Main menu, this one is the warning sign, and then this I use switch menu, which have 3 cases to display the function, calling again the function. This is the coding, the function. Okay. Now let's see the coding. Okay, first it will display the function, the menu. If we choose 1, it will display the specification of the product. Okay, and then automatically the main menu will come up again. If we press 2, it will display the production process. Okay, and then the menu will come up again. If the user enter wrong number, this warning sign will come out. Incorrect input, please re-enter menu selection. Okay, and then if the user press 3, the production calculator. Also the same, there are 3 menu: estimated raw material needed, total scrap generated, and profit per product. Okay, and then if the user enter wrong number, value, and then this warning sign will come out again. Okay, for example, how to estimate the raw material we need. I select number 1. This table shows the parameters that are fixed, number of workpiece that can be produced by one sheet. Okay, so the parameter that can be changed is what is the user's number of workpiece that the user want. For example, the user want 900 workpiece to be produced. So the calculator will display that the total raw material needed to produce 900 product is 36. Okay, and then the system will ask whether we want to continue calculation, yes or no. If we press Y, yes, and then the menu of the calculator will come up again. Press number 2. So estimated total scrap generated. Again, the table shows the mass of the aluminium sheet and then the mass of one workpiece. This mass is referred to the internet. Okay, and then it will ask the number of sheet used. If we use, just now we use 36 sheet. Okay, we enter 36 sheet used. So the scrap generated for 36 sheets and for 900 products, it will produce 349.65 kilogram of scrap. Yes, again to continue. The third mode is the calculation for profit. Okay, this is the cost of the aluminum sheet, cost of machining process, overhead cost. So the total per product is RM15. And then per daily production is around 37,500 ringgit. Okay, the parameter that can be changed is the percentage of profit that the user want. For example, the user want the profit of 50%. Okay, and then what mode of calculation the user want to see, whether it calculate profit per daily production, profit per 100 product, or profit per product. Okay, to know the profit per product for 50%, we select 3. It will display this profit per product for 50% is RM 7.50 ringgit. So adding 7.50 ringgit to the cost of the product, which is 15 ringgit. So the net income per product is RM 22.50 ringgit. Let's press yes. Calculate profit, 50% profit. And then let's calculate per daily profit, which is 2,500 product. So the profit per daily is RM 18,750. And then the net daily income is 56,250 ringgit. So if we press other than Y or N, for example O, please enter the correct answer. It will ask us to press again. I enter N, and then it will return to the main menu. Okay, thank you, Doctor. That's all for part number 2, production planning.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Muhammad Rahman Qasim. Today I want to present about the fabrication. First and foremost, I am using online software which is helped me during coding fabrication. As you can see here, our main part is rectangular workpiece, and the type of my machine is face milling, and allowed material size for width 1000 millimeter, and for the length is 100 millimeter, and for the thickness is 1000 millimeter. For the useful energy, we use less than equal to 25 kilowatt, and for the cutting speed, we use 50 to 60 millimeter thickness, and for the shaft 30 to 40 millimeter, And for the below shaft, we use 20 millimeter. And our output per day is 12 hours, which is 30 pieces, 300 millimeter per minute. And if we run this code, we will get this. So our product is 300 millimeter for the width, and for the length is 250, and our thickness is 330. And for useful energy, we can use 25. And the result is that, as you can see here, the machining time is 0.5 minute, and for the material efficiency is 1, and energy utilization 25 kilowatt. Output per day for 8 hours is 50 pieces.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Syaril. Today I'm gonna present about the logistic and the packaging. Okay, as you can see here, first I put the include studio.h, include mat.h, and then additional main. Then for the float, printf, method of packaging and logistic, printf, AR253 company, type of packaging and type of size, type of box, and the weight, type of transport, chosen lorry or van, packaging box, and time taken for packaging production and weight of the logistic, and then return, compile and run. Okay, this is the result. Okay, this is the packaging and logistic, the result. Okay, for the packaging, we put size of box, volume, width and height, efficiency, initial volume minus final volume, and divide by initial volume, and output per day depends of speed and size of the packaging. Energy use, that means energy consumption versus input energy. The flow chart is start, box type, logistic, transport, box size, small, medium and big, then size of box, efficiency, energy use, and display type of box, and okay, that's all from me for my part.
In the conclusion, the objective for this project has been ASIP, which is to develop a C program of mechanical design, production, planning, fabrication, packaging, and logistics, and separate program must be of the program. We able to do C program consists of 2 functions and 2 for looping, 2 types of decision option. Besides, we also produce each program flow linked and referring to the same product, which is one of the main objective in this project, and able to produce at least 3 inputs are required for each C program. However, there are several program officers in this project, but we managed to overcome it. The result may not be exactly perfect as we thought, but it's still to fulfill the objective of this project. Hence, all the part has been finished and the project goal was achieved. That's all.